Well, my wife and I just got back from the Social Security office, and I'm telling you, that place was stinky, crowded. We had to wait for an hour and 15 minutes. And this is one of the first places I was thinking about when I was in that Social Security office, is just to get out on the trail and enjoy the rest of my day. My wife's trying to take a video of a robin, and she's trying to zoom in on it handheld. I don't know how well it's going to work. We'll find out. I'm sure glad I'm out here right now. Such a difference between here and that office.
There he is. I'm going over here. Thanks. Look at the other birds that are laying on. I don't know.
Well, we're enjoying this walk down the trail, trying to find some peace and quiet. That's the direction we came from over there. Well, the desert sage is seeding right now. I can hear a cricket over there, but I don't see him. We're coming to this brushy part of the woods here. You gotta walk under limbs. So let's see how well I do walking under these limbs right here. Gotta duck my head. Man, this is woodsy over here. I gotta get under this branch. This is low on the trail right here.
Let's go back to Sandwich here. We probably will try to get a pair of sneakers that's got more padding.
Boy, this is a twisty, turny vine. I'm seeing other hikers up here today. It was right over there in that region of the hill. There's the hikers I was talking about. Looks like they're up there taking pictures just like me. Look how blue the sky is today. Look at that big old craggy rock. We're here by the cattle trough right now, and I'm looking at the rocks that are around the area. And it looks like concrete, but I'd be honest with you, I really don't think it is. I think it's some kind of aggregate from nature. Over here's the Spanish blade. I gave up on my selfie stick. It's just too heavy a camera and too wiggly. Our car's parked up there on that ridge. They just gave this parking lot a new asphalt coating. Well, we're back to the car. Guess it's time to go home.